Well, I must say I've been waiting a long time for this official POV of the new for 2025 roller coaster coming to Walibi Holland. And now just a quick sum up for you people, this roller coaster is called YoY and it's actually the first RMC Raptor roller coaster coming to Europe. And looking at the POV you can see this is not just one coaster, it is two coaster layouts and we have one green track and one blue track. And well, the name of these Dueling Raptor coasters are actually YoY. And the name is spelled YoY, but it is supposed to be joy when you pronounce it. And now I think it's time to quickly go over the nerdy stats of these roller coasters. And now let's talk about the green thrill side, because this one is supposed to be more intense and it is filled with 6 total inversions. And in terms of inversions, you first of all have an awesome barrel roll down drop. After that a 0G stall, a cutback, a corkscrew, a barrel roll and a final corkscrew inversion. And the green thrill side will officially have the most inversions on any RMC roller coaster in the world. And now on the other side we also have the blue layout, and this one features a more family thrill coaster layout with 0 inversions. And the blue side is supposed to mainly focus on airtime moment, which is what RMC is known for. In terms of stats, these roller coasters are almost the same. They have the same length coming in at 2,149 feet, they have the same height coming in at 95.1 feet, they have the same drop height also coming in at 88.6 feet. The only difference is the maximum speed, because the thrill side will hit 51 miles per hour and the blue side will hit 49.7 miles per hour. And for the European viewers out there, the height of this roller coaster is approximately around 30 meters, and then the maximum speed of these roller coasters are both in between 80 kilometers per hour. Now I'm gonna be doing something special in this video. First of all, I'm gonna be taking a look at the layout on the green side and after that the blue side. And this will sound unprofessional because I'm gonna be doing my live reaction and commentating over these POVs. But now let's start with the thrill side. Now the green side has finally left the lift hill and let's see what this one can do. The first element is of course the barrel roll down drop and it looks kinda hang time filled. And then we got this airtime hill, of course eject airtime right there, fast paced. High 5 element outer bank airtime hill, hopefully airtime there. We also got the 0G stall, that one looks cool. We got the overbank turn, hopefully some positive G-forces right there, but it doesn't look that fast. And then also this one, that inversion, the corkscrew, doesn't look that fast either. Then we got the low to the ground elements. That one looks hang time filled, a barrel roll inversion, and then it doesn't really do much. And then we got the final one also, another hang time fill inversion. So okay. If I'm being completely honest, the roller coaster looks quite slow in the end. And now the second half of the green side looks quite slow because the inversions are mainly hang time focused, you don't really have much speed. And the first half on the green side looks way superior, you have this awesome barrel roll down drop element, I think it's gonna give a lot of whip in the back row. Then the coaster flies through an ejector airtime hill and after that a small outer bank airtime hill, and then it quickly goes into a 0G stall and an overbank turn. Well, that first half on the green side really looks awesome, the pacing is on point and these elements are going to hit. And sadly it just looks like the second half is quite dull, you don't really have any airtime moments, you only have these hang time fill inversions. In terms of intensity, the green thrill side really looks like a great combination of the first RMC Raptor clones and then the bigger ones such as Jersey Devil. Now let's dive into my live commentary on the blue side. Now it's the blue side's turn, so let's see, we got the first drop, a traditional drop with perhaps a lot of airtime in the back row, then you got an awesome low to the ground airtime hill. And then you got a slow paced high 5 element right here. And then you got a small outer bank airtime hill, a bit of floater maybe. Oh, it looks like a decently forceful overbank turn. And then you got yet another awesome airtime hill. The roller coaster flies into yet another, a wave turn airtime hill perhaps. And then you got this small low to the ground twisting section. And then the roller coaster goes through these small airtime humps that doesn't really do nothing. And then it finally turns and then it goes into the final brake run. Okay. The blue side is supposed to be a family thrill roller coaster side and this one really looks awesome. And if I'm being completely honest, I think the blue family thrill side keeps this awesome pacing throughout the whole ride experience. And because of the 6 total inversions on the green side, the blue side will of course have many more airtime hills to experience. And if I'm being completely honest, I think the blue family thrill side looks just as promising as the green side. Because of the large amount of airtime hills on the blue side, I could see many people choosing this one over the green side. And now before closing the video, I got some more information about these dueling coasters. YoY is supposed to feature a nature/organic theme. The green frill side stands for nature while the blue chill track stands for water. And the entrance to this new area is a wooden structure in the shape of a wave, and this is built with the leftover wood from the former wooden roller coaster Robin Hood, and this one was remodeled to Untamed. And now I finally said what I wanted to say in this video, and if you really like roller coaster videos like these, please consider subscribing to the channel. That would be awesome. And now at the end of the day, I'm always gonna say bye bye.